I know how is it going to be today to explore. It rained the whole night, so if we want to do a hiking, it might be not the best idea. But since we are surrounded by mountains, I'm still positive that the weather might change. Okay, let's start the day. Nothing has dried up. Maybe I can put it on over the radiators. You see, like that. I have used this one. I have on the other one my underwear and socks, and on this last one I have the t-shirt. I still need to put this one somewhere. Maybe on the bathroom. Actually, maybe I can speed up the process with the hair dryer. So everything has dried up. Now I can finally finish packing. So now to make it fit, I'm going to roll it. You have to do it like this, super tight. You see? Like this. And I'll do the same with the t-shirts. Now you see, all my clothes are in, and thanks to rolling, I have plenty of space. Look. God damn it. I could put, if I want, like 6-7 more t-shirts. Of course I'm not going to do that because then it's going to be super heavy, but the point is that the backpack is not full. Okay, and let me show you the hostel that I booked for today. I booked this one as Hans Badut's youth hostel. It was only 99 euros for 2 nights. You see 121 here, but if you use the booking.com mobile app, you get a special discount. That's why I paid 22 euros less. And also comes with breakfast included. That was the best offer that I could find in Booking, in hotels.com, in Hostel World, in basically any other page. The only downside about the hostel is that you can start the check-in at 5. Lucky for me, the Airbnb owner allows me to stay until 5, so I can leave a bit before that. But for other people it might be a bit annoying. Alright, let's go to the hostel. Alright, I'll do a last check, just to be sure. The dishwasher is still functioning. I put it with enough time, but yeah, it's taking too long. I grab one more of these chocolates. Oh, it finished. It even opened automatically. That's cool. Okay, so let's go to the hostel. It's not that far. You see? It's not that far. It might even be in the same neighborhood. Holy shit, it's cold today. Only 4 degrees. I think so far it's been the coldest day. Ah, here it is. That's a hostel. A walk through the fields must be nice. We could do that later. Fuck, it's cold. My hands are frozen.
That's your receipts.
Thank you.
It's room 109, first floor.
Okay, and are there lockers
Yeah, there are lockers in the room.
in the room?
Yeah, just on the side. And you can close it by the car.
Okay. Okay, it's 109. Oh, the numbers are on the floor. Okay, so there's a sink. Here we have the lockers. They are all in green, so I guess there's no one here. Little chocolate. There, and there. So yeah, no one is here. Now I wonder, which bed do I want? I think this is actually the best one, but I'm not sure, because if I lay down here, that means that I have 4 people passing by me when they want to go to the toilet. Instead, if I lay down here, it's going to be, yeah, I mean, it's the same shit, I think. Okay, I'm just going to get here. I hate that they don't have any curtains. Fuck your privacy. Okay, let's check the power outlet situation. We have power outlets there, and there's one power outlet here and there. and there's one more on below every bunk bed. If you're at the top, you're a screw, but if you are down, you can put your adapter there and move the cable up. So yeah, this is going to be my spot. Okay, looks good. I'm going to put everything in the locker and then I'm going to check the toilets. And of course I'm going to eat this. Okay, I did my bed in 6 minutes. I don't know if it's a lot or not, but for you it's going to be probably 10 seconds when I edit the video. Now I deserve this. Let's check the toilets. Oh nice, they're individual. Okay, cool. You have privacy. Oh, there are some games here. Okay, so first point in the agenda is to find out if the guy at the kiosk scammed me or if he made a mistake. And it's not about the €4, it's about principles. Okay, so I'm almost there. Since I'm not going to be able to talk inside the kiosk, I'm going to explain you what I'm going to do. I'm going to walk inside, check if this guy is there, because if not, it won't make any sense. Then I'm going to check the price of a water, and then finally I'm going to try to pay and see if the guy is going to overcharge me. Okay, there's the kiosk. Let's see how it goes. It's $3.75. He didn't scam me, and I asked him why it's so expensive, and he told me, yeah, it's the rules of the franchise kiosk. So no, he didn't scam me. Kiosk is scamming you, the company. And he told me to go to a supermarket. Probably everybody knows that kiosks are fucking expensive, but if you are a tourist, like it happened to me, they will take advantage of you. I'm just amazed. It's €3 more. It's insane. So last time we saw this one at night, but it wasn't that visible. It was quite dark, so I decided to come back and see if I can show you a bit better. So this is the parish church St. Laurentius. It's really nice. Let's see if we can get inside. There are like 20 doors. It looks really normal, nothing special. The outside is the highlight. Now I feel really bad because on yesterday's video I insulted the guy and he didn't have anything to do with it. So yeah, if he ever watches the video, I guess I owe him an apology. I just remember that I don't have a towel. So it's monster all over again. I need to ask for the towel. The reception is going to be open until 9, so I have to be there before that so I can rent a towel. Oh, by the way, we're walking in Hans. It looks like they just made this. Look at the redness in the sky. Maybe we will get some sunshine tomorrow. If I go straight this roadway, I'll reach Switzerland. So I can say that I reached Switzerland walking. It's just 30 minutes away. Maybe I should do it. Maybe I should cross and reach Switzerland walking. If I get tired, then I can take the train back. Notice that they have a lot of bike paths here, like in the Netherlands. So you can go from one point to the other with your bike. Although I guess people are not used to it because they are only using their cars. I haven't seen anyone biking. It might seem like we are far, but we are not that far. Look, there on the background, there's the Vaduz Castle. You see? Far and not far at the same time. I'll need to stop recording soon. There's no light here. My footage is getting dark. And we are in Switzerland. Okay, the train station and the city center are not far from here. Where the fuck am I? Oh, okay, so it's 6:40, so I'm not going to go back just yet. Now I get it. All the people from Liechtenstein comes to Buchs. Same price. Same price they charged me yesterday. Coke Zero, same price. So there's not much to see in the city. From my point of view, based on what I've seen, cities lack of some interesting things to do. The highlights are the nature, mountains, snow sports. But the cities are just too plain. And now I understand why Liechtenstein is empty. All the people must come here to work and do their things, and they use Liechtenstein as the residential area. Probably most people have their homes in Liechtenstein. Well, not most people, but many people have their homes in Liechtenstein and they come and work here. So yeah, I would say that Liechtenstein is residential and Buchs is for business. If you can see it over there, there's a castle, but it's temporarily closed. I guess they will reopen in summer. I think I'm not going to go farther. I thought that Buchs was more into Switzerland and it was farther. Okay, there's the train station. I think that's the bus that we need. It's freezing cold. There's like 2 degrees and feels like 0 degrees. Look, there's no one around. Not a single soul. I'm all by myself. I forgot to ask for a towel, so it was for free. I'm doing it with the tablet so I can show you. So I choose the chips and this thing, and then if we go to beer, it was the goldfish. I guess the lager. Yeah. Well, let's go order these. Oh, I need to fill in all this crap. Fuck it. Without receipt. Next. Okay, and I think it's done. By the way, I'm all by myself. There's no one around. Oh, great. The lights are automatic and they are turning them off. What time is it? 11:30. Does that mean that they are going to turn off everything?